Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix Xbox application slow download speed in Windows computer. So the first thing that you can go ahead and do is to make sure that you have connected your Ethernet cable to your router. Now, using Wi-Fi is great, but it has a bandwidth that enables to beat the Ethernet connection. So if you have an Ethernet cable, you want to make sure that you are using those to simply maximize your download speed. From there, the next thing that we can go ahead and do is to make sure that there are no limitations for our download speed on the settings itself. So just head over to your Xbox application, click on settings, and from here you then want to simply click on the install options. Now, having a slow drive can also affect your download speed. So in here, you want to make sure that you are using an SSD, which is a solid state drive, which will go ahead and boost the download and installation speed. From there, you then want to remove unnecessary applications on the background like Steam and other applications that might use your network. So in my case, my network is currently at 0%. And if you see some application right here that is trying to consume a lot of your network bandwidth, you then want to go ahead and close that as of the moment while your application is downloading. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.